In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. It is from Karnataka. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are openings available from SMPA Constructions. So it is hiring for the positions like typist and marketing executive positions. And coming to typist position, it is for female candidates. Kannada is must, and 1 to 2 years of experience is required for this position. Coming to marketing executive position, 2 years of experience is required. It is for male candidates, and two vacancies are available for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is construction@smpaconstruction.com, or else you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 9886403451. Next, there are some job openings available for purchase executive positions and sales and marketing executive positions. So these are the job vacancies are available. And coming to education qualification details, diploma or BE in mechanical engineering. So 2 to 3 years of experience is preferring for these positions. And the candidates should be having good communication skills and good basic computer skills with salary commensurate with experience. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, or else you can contact them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information about this job openings. The email ID is office@palmsinch.com, and the contact numbers are first one 082124025757, or second one 4242810. Next, there are openings available from Saptagari Enterprises located in Mysuru, Hootkali Industrial Area. So it is the hiring for the sales representative positions. It is for male candidates. So three vacancies are available for this position, and two-wheeler with the driving license is compulsory for this position. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about these positions. The number is 9686926448. Next, there are openings available from Naredco Mysuru. So they are looking for young and energetic candidates for a manager post with excellent communication and people relationship skills. So it is for both the male and female candidates. Minimum qualification will be graduate with experience is also preferred, and fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is Nared, naredco@gmail.com. So you can also approach them with the given WhatsApp number, or you can also call to this number, that is 7353994139. Next, there are openings available from Sankalp. So it is the hiring for the civil engineers with the minimum 5 years of experience, and excellent writing and communication skills are required. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is info@sankalp.com. Next, there are some job openings available for a well-reputed manufacturing industry. It is situated at Yalwala, Mysuru. So it is hiring for the following positions like marketing executive positions and production supervisors and also operators positions. So these are the positions are available from a manufacturing industry. So coming to first one, marketing executives positions. It is for both male and female candidates and should be a MBA graduate with a minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required. And coming to second one, production supervisor's position. It is for only male candidates, and coming to education qualification details, and should have a graduation in engineering and a minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in manufacturing industry is required for this position. Coming to operators position, qualification will be ITI certificate is needed, and salary commensurate with their qualification and experience. So salary is dependent on the qualification and experience details. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is hr@pyramidtimber.com. Next, there are some job openings available from Mysuru College of Engineering and Management. So it is located in Mysuru. So it is a hiring for the vacancies like principal professors and associate professors and assistant professor positions, and also placement officer, accountant, PED, librarian, foreman, lab lab instructor and programmer, system admin, office executive and clerk, gardener, attender and driver. So these are the so many vacancies are available from the Mysore College of Engineering and Management. So interested candidates, you can check with the all the details provided here, and qualification and pay scales as per the AICTE norms. So interested candidates, you can send your CVs to the, and also related testimonials to the Mysuru College of Engineering and Management. So within 7 days. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about these openings, and you can check in the website link provided here, that is www.mycem.edu.in. So this is the official website link, where you will get a more detailed information about these job openings. Next, there are some job openings available from ATME College of Engineering. So it is hiring for the following positions like Associate Professor in Civil Engineering, CSE and ECE departments. And next, there is a job opening for Assistant Professor in CSE and ECE departments. Next, there are also some job openings available for Librarian, Accounts Officer, Administrative Assistant, graphic designer and personal assistant. So these are the job openings available from the ITME College of Engineering, and there are also job codes are available for each and every job positions. And you can also check here with the qualification details and experience details in the provided website link. And it is available for, website links are also available for each and every job openings. So you can go through it once, and you can also send your resume to the provided email ID, provided address details. So for more detailed information about these job openings, you can check in the website link, that is www.atme.in. Next, there are some job openings available from Central Sericultural Research and Training Institute. It is located in Mysore location. So it is hiring for the positions like project assistant, for the project like development and evaluation of Bidenso resistant silkworm hybrids developed from market assisted breeding lines, phase 2. So this is the project. For this project they are hiring for the project assistant post. So interview will be held on 24th March 2021 at 9:30 a.m. So interested candidates for this position, for this project, you can walk into the interview held on 24th March 2021 at 9:30 a.m. So interested candidates, you can also visit in the website link provided here for more detailed information about this job opening. The website link is www.csrtimys.res.in. Next, there is a job opening for junior research fellow position. It is for the project of identification, evaluation and the inclusion of potential antagonistic microbes in integrated root rot disease management in mulberry. So this is the project code. So for this project they are hiring for the post of junior research fellow. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview held on 20 March 2021 at 9:30 a.m. So you can also check in the website link provided here for more detailed information about this job opening. The website link is www.csrtimys.res.in. Next, at last, there is a job opening for project assistant. It is for the project of identification of QTLS for yield associated traits in mulberry. So this is the project code. So for this project they are hiring for project assistant posts. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview held on 22nd March 2021 at 9:30 a.m. So this is the venue. You can check here with all the details provided here, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here, that is www.csrtimys.res.in. cstrimys.res.in. There are openings available from Akshantala Enterprises Private Limited. So this is the hiring for the customer care executives positions. So it is for female candidates. 4 vacancies are available for this position. So coming to job description, the candidate should make calls, collect research papers from doctors and dentists, process them and publish them in a medical magazine published and printed by them. So training will be given for the candidates. So coming to eligibility criteria, education qualification will be post graduation or graduation in any subject, and the candidate should be fluent in English. Preference to candidates married, so settled in Mysore. So these are the candidates, they are giving preference to married and settled candidates in Mysore, and willing to work for a minimum period of 2 years, and should be dynamic and should strive to reach targets. So age limit should be 35 years, and they are going to offer a salary is 19,500 rupees for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given 2 phone numbers for more detailed information. The number is first one 9980074468. Second number is 9901746268. So there are openings available for accounts assistant position and also fitter positions. So these are the vacancies available for a reputed company at Hebbal industrial area. So for accounts assistant position, qualification will be BCom or BBM graduate with knowledge of computer and tally is needed, and fluency in English is required. 2 vacancies are available for this position. And coming to second one, fitter position, qualification will be ITI. Only 1 vacancy is available for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about these openings. The number is 9448551351, and the email ID is sales@kpsbio.com. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.